Welcome to our channel. If you want to earn more interest on savings, follow these step-by-step instructions to open a high-yield online savings account. Step 1. Research online banks offering high-yield savings accounts. Compare APYs, minimum balance requirements, fees, and account features across multiple institutions. Step 2. Verify the bank is FDIC insured before opening an account. This federal insurance protects your deposits up to $250,000 per account if the bank fails. Step 3. Gather required documents including Social Security number, government-issued ID, proof of address, and funding source information. Step 4. Complete the online application, which typically takes 10 to 15 minutes. Provide accurate personal information, employment details, and beneficiary designations if desired. Step 5. Fund your new account using one of the available methods. Options typically include electronic transfer from another bank, check deposit, or wire transfer. Step 6. Set up online banking access with strong passwords and security features. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Step 7. Link your new high-yield savings to your primary checking account. This makes transferring money between accounts easy, while keeping savings separate from spending money. Step 8. Set up automatic transfers to grow your savings consistently. Schedule regular deposits from checking to savings to build your emergency fund and reach financial goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.